In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from video in VN app. 2026, step by step. Open the VN Video Editor app on your phone and start by creating a new project. Tap New Project, then pick the video that has the text you want to remove. Once your clip is on the timeline, scrub through or play the video to find the exact moment the text appears. This makes it easier to focus your edit where it matters and avoid changing parts of the video that don't need it. There are 3 simple ways to hide or remove text in VN, and the right choice depends on where the text sits and how you want the final video to look. The first option is the crop or zoom method. Pinch the preview with 2 fingers to zoom in, and then drag to reframe your shot until the unwanted text is pushed outside the visible screen. This is especially effective for watermarks or captions near the edges. Keep an eye on your subject and composition as you zoom. You're essentially cropping the video, so make sure nothing important gets cut off and that the framing still feels natural. If the text is in a tricky spot and you don't want to crop, try the blur method. Tap the clip to select it, then go to Effects or Blur. Add a blur over the area where the text appears and position it so it fully covers the characters. You can usually adjust the size and intensity to make it blend more cleanly. A softer blur often looks less distracting, but make sure the text is no longer readable. This approach works well when you want to keep the original framing intact. Another flexible option is the cover method. Tap sticker or text and add a shape, a sticker, or even a new text layer directly over the unwanted text. Resize and position your overlay until it hides the original. Matching the color to nearby areas or choosing a simple shape can make it look intentional, like a label or callout. You can also fine-tune opacity and styling so it feels like part of the design rather than a patch. When you're done, preview the video from just before the text appears to make sure it stays hidden throughout that section. Check the edges of your frame. If you zoomed, confirm the blur fully covers the text, and ensure any sticker or text layer remains aligned. Finally, tap Export or use the download icon to save your edited video. That's it. Quick, clean, and done entirely inside VN without leaving your phone.